Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Microsoft Copilot for Windows and set up prompts, full guide step by step clearly. To download Microsoft Copilot for Windows, begin by visiting the official Microsoft website. In the search bar, type Microsoft Copilot and press enter. Locate the official download page for Microsoft Copilot. Click the download button to initiate the download process. Once the download is complete, navigate to your Downloads folder. Locate the downloaded file, which should be named something like copilotinstaller.exe. Double-click the installer file to start the installation process. Follow the on-screen prompts to agree to the license terms. Select the installation destination or keep the default setting. Click the Install button to begin the installation. Wait for the installation to complete, which may take a few minutes. Once installed, launch Microsoft Copilot from your Start menu. To set up prompts, open the Copilot application. You will see a text box where you can enter prompts. Begin by typing a simple command such as "Help me with my presentation." Press enter or click the Submit button to execute the command. Observe the suggestions and responses provided by Copilot. To refine your prompts, try being more specific about your needs. For example, you might type, "Create an outline for a marketing strategy." Experiment with different types of queries to see how Check the Settings menu for additional customization options. Adjust preferences to suit your working style and requirements. Once everything is set up, you can start using Microsoft Copilot to enhance your productivity. Remember to explore various prompts to maximize the tool's potential. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.